Hi, I'm Hadil and I'm the founder of BrightSign. BrightSign is a smart glove that can translate any sign, even one you've made up yourself, to any spoken language. Today, we're going to cover the basics of setting up your new BrightSign glove by connecting it to your smartphone or iPad, calibrating it to your hand, and teaching it your signs. Before we get going, make sure you properly charge your smart device and your glove with the included micro USB cable. But first, you have to have the BrightSign app. If you've not downloaded it yet, you can get it completely free on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Just search for BrightSign or use the links on our website. Turn the glove on by pressing the button on the wrist, and then start the pairing process with your device by tapping here. Then, once the app starts looking for your glove, hold it to the back of your device. On larger devices like iPads and tablets, you might need to move the glove around to ensure that it lines up with the Bluetooth chip in your device. Once paired, you can begin calibration. After pressing start in the app, try and stretch your fingers out, then crunch them up before rotating your hand into every position you can. When you're done, just press stop, and you completed the initial setup process. Don't worry if there are some positions you can't reach, or if you have trouble bending your fingers. This process is all about teaching BrightSign your range of movement. If you ever want to connect your glove to a new device, you will need to perform these steps again on that device. You can see that your glove is connected by checking the small dot in the top left-hand corner has turned green. Now, we're ready to teach BrightSign our first sign. Navigate to the sign library screen using the bottom bar and then press Add Sign. Type in whatever phrase or word corresponds to the sign you want to add. For me, I want to add coffee, so I'll type that in now. Next, when you're ready, press the button to record the sign and then perform it before hitting stop. That's it. You've taught BrightSign your first sign. You can now build up your library of signs or gestures just like this. Lastly, you can now use BrightSign as your voice. Back on the Translate screen, press the big button in the center of the screen and perform your sign. Press it again to stop, and it will say whatever you signed.
Coffee.
That's it for this video now. As you've seen, BrightSign only needs one example of each sign, meaning you can quickly build up your library to start using it. By adapting to every user's motor abilities and sign language individually, it can support you, whatever your range of motion or signs.